This is the brief on thumbnail optimization and LLM-powered title analysis. Okay, so this week, we're diving into how you, as an entrepreneur, fighting for eyeballs out there, can seriously get more clicks and conversions. And we'll do it by tweaking your offer's thumbnails and titles, using some smart AI tools. First up, gotta audit and refresh your visuals, like right now. Seriously, think of that thumbnail as a tiny billboard. Okay? It has to grab attention and stop the scroll. So look at your offers, desktop, mobile, and be honest. Would you click it? If not, time for a makeover. Jump into Canva or Figma. Make something new. Keep it simple. High contrast, bold colors, clear images. Maybe zoom right in on a face. Test out different backgrounds, get some quick feedback. And please, ditch those generic stock photos. Second, let's talk titles. You gotta leverage large language models, LLMs, for this. Use free tools, like CoSchedule or ShareThrough, or even get fancy with custom GPT-4 prompts. They'll help sharpen up those titles. These LLMs, they can kind of predict engagement, give you punchier ways to say things, and point out what's weak. Think going from save money with our new app to something like stop overpaying, how our app puts cash back in your pocket. Much better, right? And finally, you absolutely have to test, measure, and iterate, all the time. Set up A/B tests, show version A to some folks, version B to others for both your thumbnails and titles. And don't just count impressions, okay? Obsess over the real deal. Click-through rates, your CTR, that's where the gold is. Let those numbers tell you what to do next. Keep tweaking what works, and, don't just jump on trends or forget who you're actually talking to.
So yeah, make these tweaks to your thumbnails and titles, and you'll see a real difference. More clicks, more leads, more growth, starting this week.